Okay, got the potato salad going. Okay, guys, I'm working on the potato salad now. Got the potatoes all boiled. This is the way my mama used to make it. Be careful, Charlie. Cut them eggs up. Yeah, it looks like my shakes are gonna get so bad one day I won't be able to do this. So I'm gonna do it while I can. Brisket's coming along great. I might like that pit after all, even though it took 6 hours to put it together. Well, got the egg in, y'all. Girl, move. That's trying to make tater salad. I already got my green onions and pickles cut up.
I have one again.
No, you cannot. You already ate enough pickles. It got onion in it. Got onion in it. Some mustard. Okay, move your finger. That did her in. She took off running. She likes some things that make your face pucker up. This is mayonnaise. This ain't salad dressing, so. What are you doing? And she likes mayonnaise too. Trying to get it all stirred up.
Hey, let me help you.
No, you ain't doing it. You ain't big enough. She thinks she's big enough to do everything. I let her try to peel potatoes a while ago. It didn't work too good. She's not strong enough. He ain't got big enough hands. Stay out of the mayonnaise. Stay out of mayonnaise. Put that down. No, give me that spoon. I might need it.
I like mayonnaise.
I need some more mayonnaise.
And me too. I want some more mayonnaise too.
Sorry, y'all. Had a phone call. My daughter was calling, and I was trying to get a hold of her, see if she could watch Autumn for a few minutes while I go to the chiropractor. Last time I went to the chiropractor, he was trying to adjust me, and Autumn climbed up on top of me while he was trying to do it. I said, this ain't gonna work. I'm gonna have to leave her Aunt B's house next time. Well, Come on, taters. It's a little chunky, but that's all right. I'd rather have it a little chunky than all smashed up. Look like it's gonna be good. Throw a little salt in there. Little pepper. I think that's gonna be delicious. I haven't had homemade potato salad in a while. But this is my mama's famous mustard potato salad. That's all she ever put in it was onion, pickles, and eggs. Mayonnaise and mustard. Which is good enough for me. So, still got some in the bottom, it's not mixed up yet. It is gonna be delicious having briskets and poppers and potato salad and baked beans. Haven't had that in years. Oh well, that's it, guys. That's my mama's version of potato salad.